Alright, what's going on, guys? So today I've got a couple little things. I didn't think I was going to have a video for today, but I do now. So I picked up our new rad cap just because the old one is very, very old and could possibly be leaking pressure. So I got this new one. That'll take me 2 seconds to install. I got some muffler tape because it's leaking at the Y pipe and it's going to be really, really hard to weld in there. So I just got some of that. And also putting LEDs everywhere in the dash and in the dome light and the rest of these. Oh, those are the other ones. Okay, so the rest of these will be being put like LED brake, reverse, and corner turn signal lights, but those will be being done when I paint the truck. So for today, I'm doing all the dash lights and the dome lights. And then when I paint the truck, I'll do the rest. And I'll show you guys those Adaleafs really quick. I didn't in the last video. So before I show you the Adaleafs, the only thing I'm worried about with this is that I glued this knob on. So I guess I really do have to just yank it off. That's gonna be so annoying. I didn't want to have to do that, but I think that's the only way it's gonna come off. And I need to pull the fuse for the dome lights, I guess. Okay, so here they are. These are ones that came out of 89 F-150 spring pack. These were used ones that we just didn't need because the spring pack was going to be huge. And then I got these ones, which were for the Dodge, the orange one. Those were brand new that I just never used as well. The center holes look to be the same and the width is the same, so they will for sure go in the same spring pack. And the rest of the other two are back there. I'll grab. Okay, so here they are. So because of the arc on these, I really didn't think they were arced that much, but that probably will, these probably will actually lift it quite a bit. Obviously this one will just add whatever thickness this is, like 3/4 of an inch or an inch or something. But these are arced pretty hard, if we can even get the center pins in that, because like my leaf springs right now are like, they're arced down, so yeah, if we can even get that in, Jesus. Well, those are the Adaleafs, so we'll see what that does to the truck. But I need a couple tools out here and we can go install some LEDs. Alright, so I'm going to do the dome lights first just because that's what I would rather have work. Or like, if I can't do the dash LEDs, at least I can get these ones. And that's a weird bulb. So let's see what happens here. Probably won't be able to replace that. So this looks like it should just pop out with 3 Phillips, so we'll see what happens here. Both of these outer ones are burnt out, so I've got a whole new fixture in the garage like you guys just saw. Okay, let's go match this up to what I got. Okay, so right away I do know that these are different. The mounting points look to be the same, but this one doesn't have this. It's just got this indent there. And other than that, it looks... Oh, there we go. See how this bulb is different? I think I might have just saved myself by using this one, because this bulb might actually work in there. Yeah, looks the same to me, so I guess we'll just try it, see what happens. Just need to get some LEDs plugged in there, if they'll even go. These are the bulbs that came out, and see how there's a center contact there, and then these two side nipples are normal. These are offset, and I've got 2 points here. These are ones that my dad ordered. I think they're 1157s, and these are 1156s. From what I had heard, I thought these were supposed to be different, but these ones just have more LEDs. It looks like same center contacts, same offset points. So I don't know. Might work, might not. We'll see. Lots of struggling. These aren't gonna work for the side lights. This middle LED works. I had test fitted it and it plugged in and worked. So I'm just gonna run with these stock ones because we've got 2 stock ones that work from this fixture. These ones are both burnt out, but yeah, I'll just do that. It's all good. Actually, yeah, so I'll just do that. And yeah. Okay, old bulbs installed, new fixture, new cover, LED in the middle. Let's go install this. Alright, so there's the LED. These side ones still don't work, so I don't know what the deal with that is. I don't really care. This will be a nicer light, hopefully. If I could get a clear cover of this, it would be really good, but yeah, this is what we're stuck with. That seems really bright, but let me put that on. It's not bright at all. What though? Oh well, it was worth a try. So let's pull out the dash now. Okay, so good news is that when I took this off, this knob, it did just pop right off and it didn't break. So now we can just throw some more silicone in there and reattach it and we're good. And hopefully never have to take this dash apart again. But I gotta make sure that all these bulbs are gonna work once they're in. So it's pretty simple. It's just some Phillips down here. Actually, I gotta pop this thing out. There's some, but that's what these Phillips hold in, and these Torx. You just pop those ones out, take this part out, and then there's more Torx in behind. Okay, those screws are out. This just pops out like that. And then you've got Torx there, Torx there, and then 2 on the bottom there. And these little ones just hold the plastic on, so you don't need to worry about that. Yeah, you just pop those Torx out, and then this will move a little bit, and then you'll have to reach in behind and pull the plugs out of them. Stupid, because the Speedo cable runs to the back, and this is as far as I can pull it out. Don't want to drop the steering column, don't want to do any of that stuff, because it's really not worth it. So I have to pull the cable towards the connector and then push those 2 tabs in. But there's just no room, like, oh god. It's just making me starting to think, is it really worth it? I don't know. I don't even know if you guys can see that in there. Okay, I decided this is not worth the stress of me busting my knuckles over putting LEDs in here. So this was a big fail. Yeah, so that's good. I mean, all the dash lights work. This kind of works. That was a big fail on LEDs. Cool. Oh, and by the way, this is a Grant steering wheel. I never knew that, but it's nice and engraved there. It's a pretty old one, obviously. The stitching's starting to go on it. I don't want to pick at it. I don't want to make it worse. Okay, well, dash is back together. That was a big fail. It is whatever, though. It's fine. Yeah, so now I just gotta put the rad cap on and do some muffler taping. Just threw some epoxy in there. Just gonna stick this on. And then, which way is this go? This way. Just like that. Let that sit. And rad cap. Nice engine bay. Oh yeah, you guys didn't see it shined up now. Definitely looks a lot better than it did. There we go. New rad cap. Yeah, she cleaned up good. Still really greasy down here. I couldn't get all that off. It was just in too hard of a spot. But oh well. Alright, well. Muffler tape is on. Rad cap is on. LEDs were a fail. But, I don't know. This is just thought I'd do that stuff today. Definitely need new wheels. And both my bumpers. The rear bumper is higher on the left and the front bumper is higher on the right. It's weird. So yeah, that's it. I don't even want to touch that. I'll just leave it at that. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Short video, this one. I thought it was going to go differently, but oh well. See you in the next one.